Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to do keyword research using Google Ads. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then simply type in Google Ads in the search bar and then you have to simply click on enter. After that you have to simply go to the first website from here, and here you have to just simply click on the sign in button or the start now button according to your preferences, and then it will simply take you to a dashboard like this. And from here what you need to do is simply click on the tools icon in the left hand side, and once you click on the tools icon you have to just simply click on the keyword planner from here, and once you click on the keyword planner you have to just simply click on the discover new keywords from here. And here you can see you have type in a keyword or product here. So that, let's say I would like to type in the boots, then you have to just simply click on the get results option from here. And here you can see that the most relevant keywords are already showing here by all the statistics. Here you can see the average monthly searches, 3 months change, Y change, and other things are already showing here. And you can also choose the broaden your search from here. Let's say footwear, browns, footwear, shoes, and all other thing. You can also change the date here, location and language as well. So that's how you can easily research your keywords. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.